See, exercise 1.5 lo first problem say the number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. 578. Find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Okay. ఢిల్లీలో జరిగే కామన్వెల్త్ గేమ్స్కి ఫస్ట్ రోజు, సెకండ్, థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్ 4 days అటెంప్ట్ అయిన పీపుల్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ఎంతమంది అటెండ్ అయ్యారని ఇచ్చారు. సో ఫైండ్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఇన్ 4 days. ఆ 4 daysలో మొత్తం ఎంతమంది ఆ గేమ్స్ చూడడానికి అటెండ్ అయినారో అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై టోటల్? టోటల్ అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? మొత్తం ఎడిషన్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ రోజు ఎంతమంది, సెకండ్ రోజు, థర్డ్ రోజు, ఫోర్త్ రోజు. సో ఫైండ్ దిస్ టోటల్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ దిస్ 4 days. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సి ఫస్ట్ వన్, the number of people who visited games village during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days. Number of people visited on Commonwealth Games. On the first day. Okay children, on the first day how many members? Number of people visited Commonwealth. The first day how many people? 15,290. 15,290. Okay children, same. Next, number of people visited Commonwealth Games on the second day. On the second day, how many children? On the second day, 14,181. 14,000 is equal to 14,181. Okay children, next number of people visited Commonwealth Games on the third day. Is equal 14,235. 14,235. Next, number of people visited Commonwealth Games on the fourth day. That is equal 10,578. 10,578. Okay children, find the total number of people visited Commonwealth Games in these 4 days. Okay children, therefore total number of people visited Commonwealth Games these 4 days. These 4 days. These 4 days is equal to, find this total children. Find this total. In this 4 days and exchange. See, first one see children, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. Okay children. Next 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 7, 27, 27 plus 1, 28. Okay children. Next 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 1. Okay children. Next 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer, children? 54,284. Children, when you copied, once again check this addition. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమే కాదు, ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయినా సరే మీరు కాపీ చేసేటప్పుడు once again check that addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Don't copy it blindly. వీటికి గుడ్డిగా కాపీ చేయొద్దండి. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి చేసింది కరెక్టా కాదా. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, see. So total number of people visited in these 4 days 54,284. That is equal 54,284. Okay children, do you understand? Note down. Okay children, next second problem చూడండి. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidate got 3,52,768. By how many votes did the winner win the election? Okay, in Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes. The defeated means loss, ante ఓడిపోయిన candidate. So ఎన్ని వచ్చే votes? 3,52,768. So how many votes did the winner got the votes in the election? Okay children, see. Number of votes, elected candidate. Number of votes got the elected candidate. So how many votes? 5,87,500. Okay children, next number of votes got the defeated candidate. That means okay children, how many? 3,52,768. okay, therefore number of votes got the elected candidate more than defeated candidate. That is equal 5,87,500 minus. So how many more అంటే ఏం చేస్తాము? Subtraction చేస్తాము. So 5,87,500 minus 3,52,768. Okay children, do subtraction on side. 5,87,500 minus 3,52,768. See children, borrow. This is 10. From here again borrow. This is 9. This is 10. Here 9. Here 4. Okay children, first 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 6 3. 4 minus 7 going? No. So again take borrow. 14 minus 7 7. Your remaining number is 6. 6 minus 2 4. 8 minus 5 3. 5 minus 3 2. Okay, commas. Okay children, so how many votes got elected candidate? 2,34,732. 2,34,732. Okay children, note down. Next problem, third problem, see. Write the greatest and smallest number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7 and find their difference. Okay children, so given digits is equal, and that is 5, 3, 4, 0 7. Okay children, see, write the greatest and smallest number. First, write the greatest number. Greatest number found by these digits only. Only use these digits only. So greatest number రాసేటప్పుడు first use highest digits to lowest digit. What is the highest digit? 7. Again don't use commas. Greatest number రాసేటప్పుడు smallest number రాసేటప్పుడు number form చేసేటప్పుడు don't use commas. Okay children, 7. Next 5 4 3 0. 75,430. This is greatest number found by these digits. Okay children, ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని digits ఉన్నాయో దీంట్లో కూడా అన్ని digits ఉండాలి. See 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay children, smallest number. See children, the smallest number అంటే small digit to big digit రాసుకుంటాం కదా. What is the small digit? 0. 0 రాస్తాం అనుకోండి. 0 3 4 5 7 ఇలా రాస్తారు చాలా మంది. స్మాల్ టు బిగ్ రాస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి. సో స్మాల్ ఇది ఇలా రాస్తాం అనుకోండి చిల్డ్రన్. సి 0 is not count. ఫ్రంట్ లో 0 ఉంది, this is not count. So only 3457. But here how many digits are there? 5 digits. In this number 1 2 3 4 only 4 digits are there. So this is wrong answer. When 0 is there in given digits, ఇచ్చిన digits లో 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు 0 after small number what? 3 after you write 0 4 5 7. Okay children, 30,457. 30,457. Okay, now difference. This question asking difference between these two numbers. 75,430 minus 30,457. Okay, do subtraction. 75,430 minus 30,457. Here take borrow. 10 minus 7 3. The remaining number 2. Take borrow. 12 minus 5 7. The remaining number 3. Take borrow. 13 minus 4 9. The remaining number 4 minus 0 4. 7 minus 3 4. So answer is 44,973. Correct? Check once again, check children. Here to take borrow. 10 kada. 10 minus 7 3. Remaining number 2. Take borrow. 12 minus 7 5. Remaining number 3. Take borrow. 13 minus 4 9. Remaining number 4 minus 0 4. 7 minus 3 4. 44,970. Okay children, this is the answer. Okay, each and is the greatest number and smallest number and their difference. Okay children, see next one. Note down children and listen. Next fourth problem. A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. ఓకే, ఒక బైసికల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అనేది 1 డేకి 3,125 బైసికల్స్ని మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, 1 డేకి 3,125. ఇన్ జూలై మంత్ హౌ మెనీ బైసికల్స్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్డ్ బై దట్ ఇండస్ట్రీ? ఇన్ జూలై మంత్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 30 or 31? Okay children, tell me answer. 31. Okay, right. Solution. Listen. Number of bicycles made by industry in each day. That is equal 1 day can be 3,125. Okay, next thing, number of bicycles made by industry in July month. See children, in July month how many days? Number of days in July month how many days? 31. So 31 days into 1 day how many bicycles? 3125. 3125. Okay children, so 3125 ని 31 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. See children, 3125 into 31. See children, first multiplication with 1. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Okay, this is tens place kabatti leave one place. Okay, next 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 5 7 8 6 9. 96,875 bicycles. 96,875 bicycles. Okay children, so this is the answer. Note down children. See children, next one, fifth one. A helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it covers in 4 hours? Okay, so helicopter 1 hour ki 600 kilometers distance travel cheste 4 hours ki enta distance travel chestundi. 1 hour ki 600 aithe 4 hours ki enta em cheyali? Multiply cheyali. 4 into 600. Okay children, this one do homework. Next, see children, sixth one. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of each biscuit packet? Once again listen children. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets. 5 biscuit packets ఉన్న ఒక బాక్స్ యొక్క వెయిట్ ఎంత అంటే 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of each biscuit packet? అంటే ఆ బాక్స్ లో ఉన్న ఒక బిస్కెట్ ప్యాకెట్ వెయిట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, see. Total weight of 5 biscuit packets. 5 biscuit packets of box. 5 biscuit packets of box is equal 8 kg 400 grams. 8 kg 400 grams. Okay children, the weight of each packet, each biscuit packet is equal 8 kg 400 grams divided by 5. 8 kg 400 grams divided by 5. 5 తో ఎందుకు డివిజన్ చేస్తున్నాము? How many biscuits packet in that box? 5 biscuit packets ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింది 1 biscuit packet కాబట్టి సో this is division with 5. Okay children, so 1 kg equal to how many grams children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams. And 8 kg is equal to how many grams children? 8 kg is equal to 8000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 8 kg is equal to 8000 grams. That is equal to, this is 8000 plus 400 grams. 8000 grams plus 400 grams. That is equal to 8400 grams children divided by 5. Divided by 5. Because division చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. Okay, now division 8400 division with 5. Okay children, 5 first. How many times going? 5 ones are 5. 3 take down 4. 5 6 are 30. Again 4 take down 0. 5 8s are 40. Again 0 take down 0. 5 zeros 0. So remainder is 0. This is answer children. So that is equal. How much answer question? 1680. 1680 grams. Okay children, so that means 1000 is equal to 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams kada. In 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So that means in our answer grams ni kg lo convert cheyalante last 3 digits Last three digits are grams and remaining digits are kg. And remaining digits are kg. Okay, this is easy to convert grams to kg. Grams to kg లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా అయినా ఉండేవండి. సో 1 kg కి 1000 grams కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ 3 digits are grams and remaining digits are kg. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, అంటే ఫస్ట్ 8 kg కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ digit is kg అంటే 1 kg 680 grams. Okay children, so this is the answer. The weight of, therefore the weight of each biscuit packet is equal to 1 kg 680 grams. Therefore the weight of each biscuit packet equal to 1 kg 680 grams. Okay children, it is the answer. Okay, note down, and this division also note down children. Next problem, 7th one. The distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Find the total distance she walked in 6 days. Okay children, do you understand this question? The distance between the school and the bus stop. School ki bus stop ki distance enta 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Gayatri daily school ki velladam intiki raavadam. Okay, ante 2 times, both the ways 2 times anamata. Find the total distance walked in 6 days. Ante 6 days lo how much distance she covered, అంటే ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ నడిచింది అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, the distance between school and bus stop. School and the bus stop is equal to 1 kilometer 875 meters. 1 kilometer 875 meters. Okay children, next the distance covered by who's covered by Gayatri. Is covered by Gayatri both the ways to attend the school. అంటే డైలీ 2 times అన్నమాట. See children, ఓన్లీ 1 time అంటే స్కూల్ నుంచి బస్ స్టాప్ కి ఇంత డిస్టెన్స్, మరి బస్ స్టాప్ నుంచి స్కూల్ కూడా అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ కదా, అంటే డైలీ 2 times. 1 time కింద అయినప్పుడు 2 times కి ఎంత అవుతుంది? సో దీన్నే 2 times ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ యాట్ 2 times. సో దట్ మీన్స్ 1 kilometer 875 meters plus 1 kilometer 875 meters. డైలీ బోత్ టైమ్స్ కదా, అంటే 2 times కాబట్టి both the ways to attend the school daily 2 times. So that's why 1 kilometer 875 meters plus 1 kilometer 875 meters. Okay children, so that is equal and 1 kilometer 875 1 kilometer 875 meters. Do addition children. This meters 10 14 plus 1 15 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17. This is kilometers 1 2 3 kilometer 750 meters. 3 kilometers 750 meters. This distance covered for only 1 day. For 1 day ki. So what is the distance covered? How much distance covered in 6 days? Okay children, see, therefore the total distance she walked in 6 days. She walked in 6 days. One day की 3 kilometers 750 meters. 6 days की 3 kilometers 750 meters into 6. Okay children, 6 first meters. 6 0 0 6 5 30 6 7 42 42 plus 3 45 45 next 6 3 18 18 plus 4 22 therefore 22 kilometer 500 meters. Okay, she walked in 6 days 22 kilometer 500 meters. Okay children, do you understand? Note down. Okay children, completed. See next problem. This addition also important and multiplication also. Once again you check multiplication children. Okay, next. See children, next problem, 8th one. The cloth required to make a shirt of school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 80 centimeters. 1 meter 80 centimeters. అంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ కి యూనిఫామ్ కి ఎంత క్లాత్ అవసరం? 1 meter 80 centimeters అవసరం. So how many shirts can the tailor stitch using 40 meters of cloth? 40 meters of cloth లో ఎన్ని షర్ట్స్ అవుతాయి? How much cloth will be left? అంటే ఇంకా ఎంత క్లాత్ మిగిలిపోతుంది? So that is the question children. See 8th one. The length of total cloth. The length of cloth with tailor. Tailor the length of cloth will be total 40 meters. Okay children, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? See children, 1 meter equal to 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay children, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. But 40 meters came out on the 40 meter equal to 40 into 100. 1 meter ki 100 అయితే 40 meters ki 40 40 into 100, that means 40 100 4000 meters. 3 zeros 4000 meters. Sorry children, 4000 centimeters. Convert into centimeters kada. 4000 40 into 100, that is equal to 4000 centimeters. Because 1 meter ki 100 centimeters kabatti 40 into 100 meters. Okay, next. The cloth required for one shirt. The cloth required for one shirt. Wait for one shirt. Shirt ఎంత అవసరం క్లాత్? 1 meter 80 centimeters. 1 meter 80 centimeter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters plus 80 centimeters. That is equal to 180 centimeters. Okay children, now therefore find the number of shirts. Therefore number of shirts find the number of shirts in the tailor stitch using 40 meters of cloth. 40 meters of cloth. That is equal, 40 meters is 4000 centimeters divided by one shirt ki 180. Okay children, total cloth 4000 centimeters divided by one shirt ki enta cloth avasaramu 180 centimeters. So see children, ఇది సెంటీమీటర్స్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము 40 meters లో కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ సెంటీమీటర్స్. మీటర్స్ ఆల్సో కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ సెంటీమీటర్స్. ఓకే, see children, do division. 40,000 divided by 180. Okay children, so 180 how many times going children? See again multiplication. 180 2 times. 0 0 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 3. Okay children, so 2 times going first, so that means 360. Okay, see children, 0 take borrow 10, 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, this is 0. Again 2 times minus 360. 0, 4. Okay children, so 0. Okay children, so 0 కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది 4000 consider, sorry, this is 4000 divided by 180 కదా, so 4000 divided by 180, 182 are 360. Okay, take borrow here first 0, 10 minus 6, 4. Next so 40 కాబట్టి 40 not going in 180 table. Next take 0, 400, so again 182 are 360, so 40 is the answer. Okay children, 40 is the remainder, here no zeros. Okay, so this means 22 shirts. 22 shirts. 22 shirts. And how much cloth will be left? 40 centimeters cloth will be left. Therefore 40 centimeters cloth will be left. Okay children, do you understand? This is 4000 divided by 180 కాబట్టి దాన్ని డివైడ్ చేస్తే 182 are 360, 0, 4, take down 0, 400, again 182 are 360, 0, 4. Okay, so 40. This is the number of shirts in that cloth. Number of shirts. So that's why 22 shirts. This is the cloth will be left. అంటే ఇంకెంత క్లాత్ మిగిలిందంటే 40 centimeters క్లాత్ మిగిలిపోయింది అన్నమాట. Okay children, this is the solution. Okay, note down children. See next, 9th problem. The cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter. అంటే 1 liter petrol cost 60 rupees. A petrol bank sells 750 liters of a petrol on a day. Okay, so one day కి ఎంత పెట్రోల్ అమ్ముతున్నారు పెట్రోల్ బంక్ వాళ్ళు? 750 liters. How much money do they get at the end of the day? Okay, so ఎంత మనీ వస్తుంది అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి చూడండి. సో మల్టిప్లై దట్ బోత్ వాల్యూస్, 60 into 750 మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ వన్ నోట్ డౌన్. డూ హోంవర్క్ దట్ లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, 9th one. See children, this exercise is completed and this chapter also completed children. Okay.